kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Silver color, sky blue color, dark blue color, light pink color, yellow color, black color, dark pink color, red color, light purple color, green color, orange color, brown color, and dark purple color. It's now we draw alphabets, and first we draw A. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. It's now you draw E, the alphabets of E. E for elephant, F for fish, G for God, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. It's now you draw J, the alphabets of J. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon. It's now you draw N, the alphabets of N. And N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. It's now you draw R, the alphabets of R. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van. It's now you draw W, the alphabets of W. W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's now you draw 6. The numbers of 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.